Hello, everyone. My name is Louis McInnes, and I am so excited to share with you my product, the Sentinel Barbell. It's just one bar. The Sentinel Barbell is a premium multi-purpose Olympic barbell equipped with a revolutionary adjustable stiffness mechanism, the very first of its kind. This is designed for powerlifting, Olympic lifting, and strongman all in one barbell, which eliminates the need for multiple specialty barbells, which is ideal for commercial gyms, performance facilities, and home gyms. Primary segments: commercial gyms, strength training facilities, and home gyms. Why? Both gyms and home gym users seek all in one high performance equipment at a reasonable cost. What value does our bar bring? One bar for every lift, as our slogan is. This saves money, space, and time, as well as our adjustable stiffness mechanism, which is the first of its kind, can tailor the bar's width to the lifter and its specific goals, as well as being a highly durable product built from premium materials. Who would be interested in our product? Boutique gyms seeking a premium product, elite strength coaches and performance centers, home gym users investing in premium setups, as well as lifters looking to consolidate multiple bar types. What are people saying? Huge potential. A barbell like this could be revolutionary for my clients. Having a versatile barbell could save me so much space and money. This would streamline my competition prep significantly. These three people here are very respected within the strength training community and industry. Qualitative market research planning. So over a 9-week period, we'll be looking to develop surveys to gauge interest within the industry, conduct interviews to explore the interest in our product, assess the feedback on the product, and finally, iterate further prototype planning. Who are we competing with? There are three main competitors in the barbell market: Rogue, Eleiko, and Kabuki, who are all very well known in the industry. Rogue being very well known for having standardized equipment, which can also be their weakness. Eleiko having competition grade equipment, having a monopoly on the International Weightlifting Federation and the International Powerlifting Federation. But at a cost, this comes as their high cost in the market, as well as being very niche. While Kabuki has very niche strength training products at high cost, as well as being in a very niche market. However, the Sentinel barbell offers significant versatility over our competitors. Protection plan against intellectual property. Our utility design patent covers the mechanical adjustable stiffness mechanism, as well as we need to consider there are some competing patents in the market, one being the Kabuki transfer bar, which has an adjustable camber but not a stiffness apparatus. Originally, our barbell is derived from a variation of the Kabuki transfer bar. But what makes us different, our focus is on the stiffness modulation, not the bar shape or the bar grip. Who needs to approve of our product? The ISO to make sure the barbell is compatible with the standardized equipment, the IPF and IWF, where the barbell and apparatus is within the regulatory standards of diameter and weight of competition barbells, which would be 20 kilograms and 28 millimeters in diameter. As well as we need to consider customs and imports for the product clearance to be imported and exported internationally. How will we do this? In regards to the ISO, IWF, and IPF, we will partner with compliance consultants to ensure our product aligns with their standards, as well as insurance of lab testing meeting these standards. Customs and imports. Ensure that the product has correct classifications, as well as holding consideration of import and export tariffs. Why now? There's a major growth in the fitness industry due to social media, as well as the explosive growth of home fitness and hybrid training, as well as a big demand for space-saving multifunctional equipments, as well as increased consumer awareness of specialty equipment and its quality. Some of the funding sources we'll be looking towards are Kickstarters, as well as angel investors and program accelerators. Some of our potential future customers include college and high school athletic departments, police and military training centers, international fitness chains, and physical rehab centers, as all of these groups have an interest in functional hybrid training. Some of the market analysis we have undergone is that there's a big market in all barbells worldwide, which we can narrow down into premium buyers in North America, Europe, and the GCC, as these are regions where there are very large emphasis on wellness initiatives from the government, as well as a realistic 5-year goal in the target regions of about $15 to $20 million total, as we aim to possibly sell about 20,000 to 25,000 units at $750 each. You may ask, why is our barbell so expensive? Well, we need to understand the barbell itself is quite expensive to manufacture, with about $350 to $400 per unit. But this also needs to consider the major cost and investment into the initial machinery to make the barbell. But within this, we also need to understand that customers are willing to pay for a versatile barbell, as well as comparing our prices to our competitors who have a floor of about $300 and a ceiling of $900 for the most premium of products. As well, we need to consider that bulk production will lower the cost significantly. In conclusion, this is a revolutionary innovation with a unique, never-seen mechanism, has a very high potential for growth due to making large waves in the fitness industry due to its versatility. So what is next for our product? We will begin finalizing and testing the prototype and beginning the funding process for manufacturing. At Sentinel Barbell, we're not just ready to launch, we're ready to lead and take over the industry. Thank you for your time. I hope you will consider my product.